It's time to eat again, and we will be tackling the easy task of making homemade tapioca bubbles. All you need is some thyme, tapioca starch, water, molasses, and some sugar in the raw. Measure out 100 grams of tapioca starch, 50 grams of water, 20 grams of molasses, and 8 grams of sugar in the raw. Set your water, molasses, and sugar in a pan and bring to a rapid boil. My stove does this in almost an instant, so there's no need to cover it. However, if you have a gas or non-induction electric top, please cover your pan with the lid to reduce moisture loss. Once the liquid comes to a rapid boil, immediately pour it onto the starch and stir it to combine. Then knead it to make a smooth dough. Roll the dough out into long thin strips about the width of a boba and cut into little squares. You can stop here or make them round in your palm. Boil the boba for 3 minutes and immediately stir with a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of sugar in the raw. Boba with your favorite milk tea. We'll see you in the next video when it's time to eat again.